What makes a marriage last a lifetime? Is it love, trust, or something more? Today, we're diving deep into the psychological secrets of long-lasting marriages. Communication is the bedrock of any strong relationship. It's not just about talking, but truly listening. Active listening and empathy help partners understand each other's needs and emotions. But beware of John Gottman's 4 horsemen of the apocalypse: criticism, defensiveness, contempt, and stonewalling. These behaviors can erode the foundation of even the strongest marriages. Emotional intimacy goes beyond physical closeness. It's about creating a deep bond through shared experiences and emotional vulnerability. Expressing love, appreciation, and gratitude strengthens these bonds. Every couple faces conflicts, but how they're handled makes all the difference. Effective conflict resolution is about addressing the problem, not the person. It involves compromise, negotiation, and sometimes agreeing to disagree. Shared goals and values are crucial. When partners align on core values and support each other's dreams, they build a shared narrative that strengthens their bond. Trust and commitment are the pillars that hold a relationship steady. Building trust takes time, but it is easily broken. It's about being reliable, honest, and showing that you're in it for the long haul. Life is full of unexpected changes, and successful couples learn to adapt together. They encourage each other's growth, both individually and as a unit. Flexibility and resilience are key, and there you have it, the psychological secrets to a lasting marriage. Remember, a strong marriage takes work, but the rewards are worth it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below.